We're out here at Sabine ATV Park in Burkeville, Texas. We got the beautiful, sexy Rubicon. It looks real good. And we got this little piece of crap right here.
I'm sorry.
It's
am I even allowed to park by this thing?
I don't know, man. I don't know. Yeah, I'll allow it this one time, but let's not let it happen again. But this is a, what is it, 2016 you said?
2016 Can-Am Renegade XMR 1000.
Oh, is that what that means?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
It doesn't mean it gets stuck.
It's not like an 850 just with a 1000 badge?
It's actually, it's a Honda 300 with a Can-Am body. That is the thing to do these days.
This is a one sweet ass Renegade.
Bike built by my friends at TCP.
TCP dot. There they are, right there. Oh, it's tcpor.com.
There's a big one.
Oh, there's a big one. Oh, well, I don't see. Anyways,
we're gonna go get it muddy again because yes, I did wash it last night after we got a little muddy.
Hey, he surprised me. I didn't think he was gonna go through anything, but he's going through everything.
It was a mule. We did climb some hills last night.
Yeah, we did. Yeah, this thing's badass. So we'll have to show you at night all the lights and shit too. The thing's a beast.
The only thing it missed was its brother Shorty.
Yeah, where's Shorty at? Shorty, where you at? Oh, of course, we got Mr. Tanner Young over here.
Got the foreman.
The foreman. Check him out.
Not much to say about it though.
Check him out on YouTube. He's 200 plus strong now.
It's the ginger on orange today.
Yeah,
the ginger on
matching my hair, see?
And then of course we got Mr. Mark out here. Crazy Mark with the badass X3. You gonna uncork it today?
A little bit.
All right, all right. I want to see you race the Renegade.
Okay.
Okay, no problem. All right, well, gotta go. Look at that X3, it looks so good. We got a little group with us today. It's supposed to be a small ride, but we got a few fine folks here. Awesome. We used to come down right here, but it's all.
You know that main trail we're on? If you go up, you go to like left, there's that cross back that way.
Oh, okay. Me out the way. it, don't you? You good, Eric? What happened? You in low? There you go, buddy. Lean forward. Thing's so bad ass. Woo! He actually got off the ground a little bit. There you go. There you go, buddy. Perfect. Ay, wey.
Sabine has clapped my ass.
Okay. Go, 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 go. Go all the way up. Stay. Keep left tire on this side.
Straight?
Yeah, go ahead, go straight. Yeah, go and go straight. See what the old Terex has got. Yeah. Man. That thing sounds amazing. Yep. What's that? Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see what it looks like. How bad is it? Huh?
Right down to the left.
Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, that's a lot. Yep. Oh yeah. I can tell Chris is loving it. Let's do it. There's one up here. Right there, see? On the right side?
Not a big deal.
Probably. How you liking Sabine so far?
I like the mud.
You like the mud? What about the hills?
Love it.
Love them. So you never been down this trail?
Never.
It's a badass trail.
I knew that's why I bet like with y'all, I trail's never seen this already. I haven't seen this.
How you liking it, Eric?
Oh, this is love it.
Loving it. Wait, that wasn't too bad, was it?
What is it? No, and two-wheel drive?
He's probably showing us.
Follow me down the steep side.
Two-wheel drive?
Oh shoot! You went down the steep side. Sergio, what do you? Don't go down that side. Sergio. Sergio, no, 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 no. Hey. Yeah, we went to the left. Hold on, hold on. Catch him, catch him, catch him, catch him, catch him. Yeah, we went to the left. Hey, somebody grab him, please. Hold on, let me get up there before. Hold on, buddy. Don't let go. Hold on. Sergio, grab him.
Okay.
You all right?
Yeah.
Woo! Yeah, hold that brake, buddy, because you're in that rut nice. I thought y'all could see that left trail right there.
Where's the flat stuff?
I let us out for there.
Remember this, Carlos?
What's that?
That strap?
No, whatever. No, where to hook on here. Yeah. You're gonna backwards? Okay.
I'm gonna try. Look up to the winch. Dale un poquito para adelante. I should turn around, but there's no room. Let's see. Alright. I need you up. Yep, hold me down.
Crisis averted.
What? No, that's not.
Hold on one second. I went to the left.
That's at a different area of the park. Probably a flatter part.
There's a different area, que no?
Yes, it is. Entonces, ¿para qué estoy fregando, verdad?
No, go down to the left, yeah.
Oh my lord. Maybe you got to get more insurance on me if I keep flattening this bump, man. Still lost 20 pounds, homie.
Hold on. Oh, wait. All right, now you're good.
Listo?
Good.
What's that trail like that look like?
You don't want to go that way. That way is the best way. Just don't use your front brakes. Famous Razor. You mind if I take a ride with you down there?
I don't know, you might flip.
Get the hell out of here.
Ready to flip?
You shut the hell up. And keep me safe.
I don't have any brakes, so.
Oh, what? Hey! Hey! Wait.
I'm not used to this power.
I'm not.
2 cylinders.
I got 1 cylinder. Oi, oi. Your grandpa should be good, I think. Oi, cabrón. This thing's smooth. Oh, never mind. That shit just popped me in the shoulder.
Tips are really appreciated.
Yeah. You scared me there, buddy. You scared me there. I thought we were gonna lose one. Hi. Good.
We're worried trying to get him and her up.
Yeah.
And see which way y'all win.
Woo. But hey, good recovery though. Good job. You didn't panic or nothing. I think I panicked more than you. Good job, buddy. All right. Yeah, he tried to follow you.
Shit, I pointed down the other trail.
I think he was helping his family up when he was landed.
He thought it would be better for me to come down that other one.
Yeah. Yeah, that freaking bike. Oh my god. So he started backing up it and then it slid and caught into that rut. The little four-wheeler, the Arctic Pro. He's lucky he didn't go down. I thought he was going. Woo! All right, nothing to see here. Let's go. My camera looks like it's an all right angle. I don't even know.
It looks It's not recording. Yeah, it is.
Hey Joe. It's like a bunch of freaking. What are you doing back there?
I used to bend over my bike.
He wants to ride it real bad, doesn't he? God dang, ride for a ride, buddy.
I'm gonna put a 60.
Whoa, watch it.
I'm gonna